Hi guys, so today I have a little drawing, a simple drawing for beginners. And if you want to improve your skills, watch that video. First, what you need to do is to get the paper and grab some magic, put words on it, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and also seriously, if you want to start, just I suggest to just use tracing paper to get the image, because it's gonna be easier when you start, and it's gonna give you a good result, easier, quicker. So, but after you can, work on your sketching skills and stuff. So yeah. So for the eyes, I use black here, and then olive green. I fill it. Then I add black on top of it, and then 10% warm gray. Still black around, and beige sienna here on the bottom. Olive green, and 10% warm gray. And here 10% warm gray in the eyes. And dark umber here. Still dark umber for the eyebrows, and then black on top of them. Dark umber. And then for the skin, I start with the seashell pink. I apply it lightly on the edge, and then here I apply it hard on the whole face. So I cover the whole face with seashell pink. This is dark umber, beige sienna. So I leave some spots light, and I apply white where there's light spots. This is beige sienna under the eyes, around here. Still beige sienna. So use full color beige sienna in contrast with the shell pink. This is dark brown. I use it everywhere to make some more shadows. This is nectar. I apply it on top of the seashell pink to give it a more pinkish pink color. Give the skin a pinker color. It's still nectar on the lips. Cover everything except I leave some white spots. The dark umber. Do the teeth and 50% warm gray and 10% warm gray. 50% warm gray on top of the lips. Dark umber. Continue here with this, I think it's light peach here. I cover still seashell pink. Use white on top. Nectar here. And light umber. Use some yellow ochre and yellow canary yellow here. And light umber. And here I use chestnut. Put light peach on top. Light umber, then seashell pink, chestnut. Here I use dark umber. I apply it lightly because I want to use a solvent after. Here light umber. And I use a combination with burnt ochre as more orange. And then I apply the solvent here on top. I apply it everywhere on the hair. So it's gonna give me a base color, so I can apply color on top of it. So this is all the solvent is applied everywhere. Now I apply it with black and dark umber, and even goldenrod is more yellow color, and and burnt ochre is more orange. So just a mix of these colors, and we have nectar. So this is an overall look. So it's not that hard to do. You can try it. Just follow my steps, and I mean, you're probably gonna be able to do it. And also, I want to know if you have some specific drawing skills that you want to improve. So just let me know in the comments. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you on the next video. Bye.